How to write a CDR. CDR stands for Competency Demonstration Report, which is a document that engineers need to prepare to demonstrate their engineering skills and competencies to Engineers Australia. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to write a CDR. Gather the required documents. Before you start writing your CDR, you need to gather all the necessary documents such as your academic transcripts, work experience certificates, and other relevant documents. Understand the requirements. Read the Engineers Australia Migration Skills Assessment booklet carefully to understand the requirements and guidelines for preparing a CDR. You need to ensure that your CDR meets all the requirements and guidelines mentioned in the booklet. Choose your category. Engineers Australia offers 4 categories of membership for engineers. You need to choose the category that best suits your qualifications and experience. Write your career episodes. The career episodes are the most critical part of your CDR. You need to write 3 career episodes, each describing a specific engineering project or task that you have completed. Each career episode should be between 1,000 to 2,500 words and should follow a specific format. The format includes introduction, an overview of the project or task, your position, and the duration of the project. Background, the context of the project or task, including the objectives, scope, and constraints. Personal engineering activity, a detailed description of your specific role in the project or task and how you applied your engineering skills and knowledge. Summary, a brief summary of the career episode. Write the summary statement. The summary statement is a summary of the competencies you have demonstrated in your career episodes. You need to cross-reference each competency with the relevant paragraph number in your career episodes. Write your Continuing Professional Development (CPD) report. Your CPD report should describe the activities you have undertaken to maintain and improve your engineering knowledge and skills. Compile your CDR. Once you have written all the sections of your CDR, compile them in the order required by Engineers Australia. Review and edit. Review and edit your CDR to ensure that it meets all the requirements and guidelines and is free of any errors. Submit your CDR. Submit your CDR to Engineers Australia for assessment. I can help you with research, writing, proofreading, and editing, and I can also provide you with tips on how to improve your writing skills. Feel free to ask me any questions via email at globalassignmentservice444@gmail.com or WhatsApp me at +923,346,063,324, and I'll be happy to assist you.